Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best dishes for RV on Amazon. The RV is not only an excellent place for sleeping, but also for eating. One of the essentials for RVing is to pick the top-tier bowls and platters to make a comfortable dining experience. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Corel Vitrell Dinnerware Set. Corel Vitrell offers an excellent set of dinnerware for traveling. The 18-piece set includes bowls, appetizer plates, and dinner plates for RV. I love the sizes because they're easy to hold, especially the 18-ounce bowls. What I enjoy most about the Vitrell set is its durable construction. The tempered glass seems to be break-resistant because the plates didn't get broken when I accidentally bumped them on the countertop. They even look pristine after being put in the microwave and dishwasher, making them easy to clean at the same time. What we like about it? Made of durable tempered glass with high break resistance. Comes in 18 pieces and are easy to hold. Lightweight and can be stacked together for compact storage. Dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Microwave safe camping dishes. What we don't like about it? Can feel too hot. Number 2. Stansport Tableware Set. The Stansport Deluxe offers a complete set of RV dishes and accessories for a more enjoyable eating experience. This 24-piece set includes 4 bowls, 4 plates, and 4 mugs, as well as other essential RV accessories like spoons, knives, and forks. I find the blue enamel finish beautiful and long-lasting, as the pieces are double-coated for heavy-duty use. The dishes are made of metal and have stainless steel edges, which adds durability to them. What we like about it? Offers a complete tableware set including platters, bowls, mugs, and silverware. Has a sturdy metal construction that resists rust. Made with a long-lasting enamel finish. The entire tableware set is light to bring on the RV. Safe to use because the dishes don't contain lead. Convenient to clean on the dishwasher. What we don't like about it? Comes with flimsy silverware. The cup's handle tends to get hot with hot drinks. Number 3. YinShine Rustic Dinnerware Set. This YinShine RV dinnerware set impresses with its unique rustic design. The 12-piece dish set consists of 4 7-inch bowls, 4 8-inch dessert platters, and 4 10-inch dinner plates. The dishes are lightweight, so they're convenient to carry to any RV camping site. The RV plates and bowls are made of melamine, which is a lot thicker than regular plastics. Thankfully, the melamine material is free of BPA, so I don't have to worry about plastic leaching onto our food. What we like about it? Has a pretty rustic design around the edges. The actual green color is more affluent than the picture. Lightweight to carry to camping and picnics. Melamine dinnerware are chip-resistant. Easy to clean in the dishwasher. Stackable for easy storage. What we don't like about it? The dishware isn't microwave safe. Number 4. Gibson Home Dinnerware Set. The Gibson Studio Moana dishware set has this beautiful ice rustic design that looks like stone. These dishes are made of chip-resistant melamine, which is sturdier than regular plastic. The crackle glaze looks vintage and fits right on my classic RV kitchen. What we like about it? Has an attractive rustic design that looks like real ceramic. Seems sturdy and long-lasting for daily RV use. Washes easily on the dishwasher. The platters come in generous sizes. BPA-free for safety and almost shatter-proof. Lightweight enough to bring on camps and RV. What we don't like about it? Not microwavable. Doesn't come with mugs or tumblers for beverages. Number 5. Marjorie Melamine Dinnerware Set. If you like marble tableware, these Marjorie melamine dishes are perfect. This dinnerware set consists of 4 11-inch dinner platters, 4 9-inch salad plates, and 4 6-inch bowls. Melamine might feel like ceramic, but it's lighter and less prone to breaking than the actual ceramic material. I love the marble pattern because the classic style complements my RV kitchen's decor well. The bowls and plates are stackable, so storage will take less space in the RV cabinets. I run the dishes in the dishwasher, and they come incredibly clean. What we like about it? Has a beautiful marble design. Lightweight to carry even for kids. Stackable dishes are stored easily in the RV kitchen. Cleans easily in the dishwasher. Hard to break even when dropped on the ground. What we don't like about it. Marjorie melamine dinnerware set isn't microwavable. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.